Hey, Jody Walters here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we've got a 2020 brand new 230 Sunliner by Harris. If you know, Harris has got the great quality ride, 25-inch tubes. This has the Performance 2 package, which has the lifting strakes, which keep the boat up on plane. Plane's fast, very stable. One of the Harris's great tricks they've got is this center tube, which is pontoon, is about 2 inches deeper in the water, which actually makes the boat track like a V-hull boat. Gives you really good stability and performance. This boat is midnight blue with a black accent. Comes with the real high beam docking lights. Of course, it's got all your nav lights. Saltwater package, which has all your zinc anodes on there, so for the saltwater environment it protects all the metal on the boat. Beautiful boat up top, so let's go up top and take a look and see what we got up there. Now we're on board the 230 Sunliner, and if you'll notice the French gray upholstery, the Sunliner comes with the extra quilt cushion padding, the diamond plating upholstery, as well as all Harris's have the bracket on every door, which will stand over 400 pounds of force for safety. Keeps a child from running in there or taking a wave and going overboard. This boat has the teak woven fabric floor, which is basically maintenance free. Another great feature with the Sunliner is it's loaded with cup holders, and you don't have to find them because they will light up. We have the ultimate lighting package, which is the multicolored. They will scroll through colors. You can lock them in on whatever color you want. Comes with a 12-foot bimini. At the helm here, we have a Go 5 Simrad, which is the exact same Simrad as a 12-inch screen. It's just a smaller screen, but it's the same unit. Fusion stereo, speakers throughout, mercury gauges, high-quality analog gauges here. This boat has the high-back captain's seat that articulates in 3 different directions. You spin it around, so when you're sitting back here in the rear-facing lounger, the captain can be part of the program too. The rear-facing lounger is the flip-flop seating, where you can face forward or aft. Gives you plenty of room back here. Tons of storage. All our boats come with a complete Coast Guard kit ready to be on the water. So as soon as you take delivery of the boat, you're legal. Comes with the 150 Yamaha Mercury engine with the ski tow bar, 40-gallon fuel cell. This boat is equipped with just about everything you need. Comes with an optional trailer, as all of our Harris pontoons do. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can give me a call at 850-708-1317.